Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can get a free diamond membership in chess.com. Now, if you want to get a free membership, there are two main ways to do so. The first way is if you have just signed up for chess.com and you have yet to avail for the free trial or free demo. As you can see here, I could just click on this, right? Free trial and try for free. There we go. It's pretty straightforward. You know, you just go through the process, either yearly or monthly. Same thing, right? The other way is you can actually have somebody, your friend, an acquaintance that you've been playing against each other in chess.com, and you can just have them ask them, hey, can you give me a subscription? And they can actually do that. They can actually, you yourself can actually give us a subscription to another player, to a friend, if you want to. And those are the only two ways you can do so. Aside from that, if somebody says click this link, do not do that. Do not click any suspicious links. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.